Hello, welcome to a new tutorial. That's the fourth one, and today we were discussing about the creation of tables. Now, first, let me tell you what a table always entails. A table entails what? Columns. We have rows and what? Cells. Alright, so in this case, when we come to uh, the creation of tables in HTML document, we use tags as always to create something, a table. So first, creating a table, we use the column for the th as a column. The rows we use tr for the row, and in this also we have what? td with the corresponding uh, closing closing tags. So in this case too, but first, in HTML document we don't just go straight representing or writing this. We have to all start the table. That's the only difference. We start with the table tag and the closing tag. Right. So this is how we represent data in uh, data in table form in HTML document. Let me give you an example, but first let me comment this thing out. Alright, now this is how you create comments though, but it will come on a later tutorial, so keep in touch so that I'll talk about commenting for you with you. Alright, first, creating a table, as I said earlier, table, you open a table tag and you close a table tag. Right, then there you would start with the actual creation of the table by creating what a column and a closing th. At first, let's give the first column as something like first column. Right. Okay. This to be let's create three column. Second column and create third column. Alright, that's the column that we've created. Now let's create a row. The first row tr, but within that row we have cells as always. Row contains cells. Alright, so first td will give me, let's see, let's write first cell td second cell. Keep on writing this thing, then you close the tag, and a third td third cell. Oh, td. Okay, now let's save it and go to it, refresh our, see how it is. The first column we have first column, second column, third column, and the row we have the first cell, second cell, and third cell. And also they can have something like this, another So let's add another cell, another row to it. Alright, td fourth cell, fifth cell, td sixth cell. Let's save it and refresh. You see how it is. We can create, you can go on to create. Sorry, I didn't close this one. Right, now let me add a little bit of styling to it so that our representation will be nice. So let me give it a border of 1. Save it, refresh it. Now it looks more of a tabular form, right? Okay, that's how, always what that's how you create a table. So you can create more tables, more tables and more rows, and adding more cells to it. I can add a cell to this one, for example, td, and I'll write 7 cell td. Let me save it. You see, it has added another cell to it on the second row, because I haven't added anything yet, it gives it another row. That's one thing about. So in this form, you can create a form. In this way, you can create a form that will be having how depending on how you want to represent the station, the table. You can create it in any way. You can add cell here and you cannot add cell there. So that's how. uh, and you can add rows and no add row. It depends on how you want to you create it. All right, so this is the end of my fourth tutorial. And as I will say, practice, read more books, read more on tags, and keep in touch with me through commenting and the liking of my work, so that I can know what is up in your mind. When you have any problem or you have any questions, ask me by commenting. I'll respond back as soon as possible. So thank you. Bye bye.